Hey everybody, it's me Sissy back with a Dollar Tree haul, and my good friends over at Ecobuddies sent me some of their new disposable wooden plates, and it comes in a box of 50 and it has two size plates, and I'm going to show you. They have the little like a dessert plate, and then they have the larger plate. So I'll put a link below to them. They sell them on Amazon, and they are great. They are great to use just, you know, at home for a disposable plate, and they're great to craft with. So I have some crafts coming up using them. And I am gonna, I know that I never did get to do the giveaway for the cutlery set, but I'm gonna do that too. And I'm gonna divide this box in half, because they only sent me one box, and it is a large box. You get 25 of the small ones and 25 of the large ones. So I'm going to use some to craft with, and then I'm going to give the rest away with the set of cutlery. So stay tuned for that. So I've got some great ideas how to use this. But anyway, let's get to my Dollar Tree haul. I found a few good things. We'll start with this little bag I have on top here. I found some great shirts, and these are larger size. They're ladies large and 2X and extra large, and this is a this says all style apparel, so I got that one. And they had a lot of youth sizes, and then they had some larger sizes. This is a Hanes color blend, and this is a large. And this is a Hanes Eco Smart. This is 50 poly, 50 cotton. These other two were 100% cotton. I got that one. And then a black one. This is just a Hanes, a regular Hanes. What is this? 100% cotton. And then this is a Hanes Nano Tee. I don't know what that means, but made, what does it say? Oh, it says machine wash cold. I thought it was going to say what Nano Tee meant, but it doesn't. But anyway, this is just a nice white t-shirt. Anyway, that's a great deal. T-shirts for $1, and I have a lot of vinyl, iron-on vinyl, so I'm going to decorate those up. So now let's get to the other stuff. I picked up this is a 2-pack of the aluminum pans. That's a good deal. You can get some that has 3. One of these I'm just going to keep using in my kitchen, and one I'm going to use this is very thin. It's like just a little bit thicker than heavy duty aluminum foil. I'm going to use it for DIY. So I got that. And I picked up a box of the Downy Unstoppables. This is 1 dose, but I'm not going to put this in my laundry. I like to just open this little tab on the side and put this in my car. Makes your car smell great. You could put it in a little sachet and put it in there, but I just stick the box in there. And they had these cute little signs. This one says wolf, and then they had one that says meow for your cat and dog lovers. So I picked that up, and I bought 1 stem of flowers. I really wanted more, but this is the only one that I could find. So these are really cute, and they look so nice and airy and springy, summery looking, so I picked that up. And then I got a few craft items. I got the Crafter's Square 6-piece chalkboard tags. That's a nice size, and they had those in different shapes. They had some round ones and some heart-shaped ones, but I got those. And then they had these cute little easels. I got the one that was the chalkboard, and then the one that was dry erase. And this would be great if we ever get to have parties again, or have a buffet. You could write what you were serving and put it by the dish, or you could put your table number on it. But I thought those were cute. I got those. I'm gonna put one on my coffee bar, I think. And then I picked up some garlic powder and onion powder, and these are great. They're a little bit weaker than if you buy the spices at like Walmart, but they're far less expensive than Walmart, so. And then I picked up another pair of reading glasses. This is the one that has the blue light blocker in it. So I thought that might be better to look at this computer screen with, so I picked up a pair of those. And then I saw this new face mask. It's the MediBio Capsule Mask Advanced Firming Biocellular or cellulose, I don't know what that means, and hydrolonic, it's got acid in it, but anyway, I picked that up, so I'm going to try that. Try to pamper myself a little bit on the weekend. I got a one that I bought before for your feet and one for your hands, so I'm just going to just mask up everything and lay on the couch and binge watch a new show on Netflix this weekend. And then I picked up another one of these little baskets from my last haul. I picked up 2, so I picked up a third one. I've got a little DIY craft I want to do with them, and I thought 3 would look better than 2, so I picked up another one. And then I picked up some of this. Now, I haven't used this before. I smelled it in the store, and it smells really good. It's Pinalen, P-I-N-A-L-E-N, Max Aromas. It smells delicious, but it says that it deep cleans, cuts grease, and eliminates bad odors. It doesn't say anything about, you know, being antibacterial or anything like that, but it does have a great odor, so I'm going to use that on my, you know, like once a week I do like deep clean my floors. I mop them with the antibacterial stuff, but maybe about midweek, because I do have 4 dogs in my house, y'all, so sometimes they have some accidents. So about midweek I can put some of this and just do a quick little wet mop of my kitchen floor, and it smells so much better. Then I picked up this Essentials mesh laundry bag. There's 3 in here. I have some of these already, and I use them my mask. I take my mask, put them in the little mesh bag, zip it up, throw it in my washer, and wash all my masks, you know, to sanitize them for reuse. So that comes in handy, and that's good if you have like something delicate, like a scarf or something that you don't want to just be flapping around in the washing machine. And then I was able to find 2 little packs of the Crafter Square fabric, and this is pretty as a pineapple and then a lemon print, so I thought that'd be cute. I got some little DIYs coming up to use with that. And then I picked up the, they have all the luau stuff out. I got the fishing net decor. I got a DIY in mind for this. I'm thinking it's going to work, but we'll try it and see. We'll see. And then I found this pretty little floral infused roll-on perfume. I don't know if you can see in the video, but there's actual little dried flowers in there, and it smells really, really good. I tried some when I got in the car, and it smells really good. It's a nice, fresh floral scent, so I thought that would be good to have. Especially when it gets hotter, I kind of like to have a little light, delicate perfume smell. And then, y'all, I got, what? Some of my stuff is gone. I must have another bag somewhere, y'all. I don't know what I did with it, because there was a little cutting mat that I bought to go with this, so I don't know, maybe it's in my sister's stuff. I went with my sister, so she might have my little mat. But anyway, this is the Scraptility knife set. It's just a little X-Acto knife set. I thought that'd be good to have just in my craft room. And then, y'all, I kind of hit the jackpot on the makeup stuff. But let's start with this first. I got this little kitty cat mermaid unicorn. I think they put all the cute things together, but it's the little lip balm. So I picked that up just to have in my purse. You know, when you have those chapped lips. And then I got some of the e.l.f. eyeshadow. This is Happy Hour, and it's some cute little colors. And I love eyeshadow, but I don't like paying Walmart prices for it. I was able to find 3 of the hard candy makeups. I got the hard candy Fox in a Box bronzer. So that's really good. And that stuff's expensive at Walmart to get that for $1. Then I got the hard candy Outer Space eyeshadow, which that is kind of dark, but I thought maybe I could use it. We'll see. We'll try it. And then I got the hard candy Feeling Mauve eyeshadow palette, which that was a great deal for $1. So y'all, I love makeup. I know I don't I don't look like I love makeup because I hardly ever wear that much, but I do love makeup, and I have so much makeup in there, it's a shame, but I do like to get in there and play with it. And my favorite thing is to watch all the YouTube videos of the beauty people doing their makeup and stuff. My favorite is Emily Noel. I'm trying to think, what is her channel, just Emily Noel, but anyway, she does wonderful makeup, and she's really a sweet lady. So, but these are really pretty colors, all the little different shades of mauve, and they have good pigment to them, so I picked that up. But anyway, that's my little Dollar Tree haul for this week, and hopefully I'll have some DIY videos coming up for you real soon. But y'all get out there. If your state is no longer under quarantine and lockdown, fine governor of South Carolina has decided that our state needs to reopen, so he's opening stuff up. And he announced yesterday that the restaurants are going to open back, so we could just go about our business and hope for the best, I guess. But anyway, y'all stay safe, be careful, and if you can get out and go, put a mask on and some gloves and go shopping and go to Dollar Tree and see if you can find some stuff. Anyway, y'all have a great weekend, a great Saturday. I hope everybody's having, it's beautiful weather here. It's wonderful. So I can't wait to get out and go check on my flowers and stuff. But y'all have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.